Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we have a super windy day, but we have another challenge, the Grinchmas challenge from dayattherange.com. So let's get to it. Shooting in the wind is a good time. Can't learn if you don't do it. Let's do it. Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're doing another dayattherange.com challenge. This one's the Grinchmas challenge. It consists of 20 shots in total, 3 for spotters, 17 on the balls on the tree. Different size balls, as you can see on the target right now. And our weather, we have a lot of wind and sun, and it's cool. Weather's gonna be up here. You guys can check it out. So, I guess let's see what we can do in the wind with my stock CZ LRP and stock barrel. Only thing different is the trigger right now, and I have the exact edge extractors from Brotuned. Thank you guys for sending those over to me. They're working amazing. It's definitely a must if you own a 457. I've had some extraction issues. Those extractors solve that. But let's get to the challenge. So we're gonna do the 3 spotters, and then we'll all start working our way through the balls. Destroying balls is what we do. Spotter. Okay, here we go, yellow ball. Not sure if that's a hit. That's definitely a hit. Miss on the green. Wow. I watched that bullet arc go over to the right. That was pretty crazy. Yellow, hit. Red, hit. Now the green one, I think we're in an empty chamber. That's what I figured. All right, another mag with 10. This should finish up for target. Smoke that green one. I think that counts. Going left to the green. Oh. Go to the next green on the same line there. I think that's a hit. Red. Oh shit. Okay. Yellow, coming left again. Got it. Red. Got it. Green, missed. Low green to the right. I think I got it. And yellow to the right. Got that. All right, there's our Grinchmas challenge with the SK Standard Plus and my stock CZ LRP. Let's go see how we did. Well, on the Grinchmas challenge, I ended up with a score of 76. Crazy amount of wind. I'm going to redo it again, but this is my first shot at it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care, guys. See you soon.
Never go full retard.